How to fix T-Mobile not receiving verification texts. Check phone settings. Make sure your phone is set up to receive text messages and that you haven't accidentally blocked unknown senders. Then restart your phone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. After that, verify phone number. Double check that you have entered the correct phone number on the platform you are trying to verify with. Then check for blocking settings. Review your phone's settings and your T-Mobile account to see if any spam filters or blocking features might be preventing verification texts from coming through. Next, aeroplane mode. Turn aeroplane mode off and back on to refresh your network connection. Then check for network issues. If you have poor signal, try moving to a location with better reception. And finally, contact T-Mobile support. If none of the above solutions work, reach out to T-Mobile customer service to check if there are any issues with your account or network that could be causing the problem.